You want to focus, but you just can't. You sit to work, and within seconds, you open your phone again. You tell yourself, just 5 minutes, but it turns into an hour. Then guilt hits. You feel tired, but you did nothing. So you try again. Same thing happens, over and over. And now you think, what's wrong with me? Why can't I focus? Am I just lazy?
No, you're not lazy. Your brain is overloaded. Too much stimulation, too much scrolling, too much dopamine. Your brain got used to easy rewards, fast content, quick pleasure, no effort. So real work feels hard, boring. Focus needs effort, and effort feels painful now. So your brain escapes to easy things again and again until you lose control. That's why you can't focus. Not because you're weak, but because you're trained wrong. Your habits shaped your brain, and now your brain wants easy, not important, not meaningful. But here's the good news. You can fix this. Start small, very small, just 5 minutes. No pressure, no perfection, just start. And your brain adapts. Slowly, focus comes back, one step at a time. So don't wait, don't overthink. Start now, not tomorrow,